I'm the type that always like go and do what I'm gonna do, and I don't really care what's around me. The ones that really mean a lot to me, my mom's name and my father's initials right here. I got that in my prime time. Back when I used to have the short hair and girls was all on me. Nobody looked like this with tattoos. So it's once you see an arm like this and an arm like this together, you're gonna be like, oh, that's Prince.
Patience is something I really wanted to get until I realized Justin Bieber has patience. And I was like, oh man. A reminder or a kind of life lesson is always kind of behind most of the tattoos. So what if is one of my key philosophies in life. And obviously I look at myself in the mirror every day when I'm getting ready for work and when I'm about to go out and stuff, and seeing that right in front of you is like a nice kind of reminder and keeps you in check.
Yeah, you have to like pain to get tattoos. No matter what you do, it's kind of a journey. The first tattoos I ever got actually were the two that don't connect to anything, which are on my wrists, and that's grandmother in Italian, grandmother in Polish. I kind of like to stick with tradition as much as I could with adapting to the world, just because that's what made the tattoos what they are, and that's what made them flow. No regrets about any of my tattoos.
I think I might have like a slight addiction to tattoos. I just got this dagger like 3 days ago. Just got this one yesterday. Some people, you know, tell me like, oh, you shouldn't get that many tattoos or you're gonna regret it one day, but everything that I have on my body is really me, and when I'm 80 or something, I'm gonna be the most badass, you know, 80-year-old walking the streets.
I think the big common mistake that people make about getting tattoos is they think that it has to symbolize something. And to me, they just have to be something that you like. Or whether it's just the way they're designed, my hometown, like all of those things like are incorporated in who I am.